Hello, and thank you for taking a look at our business plan specific for a microgreens farm. Very quickly, I'm going to walk through the document and I'll show you the financial model. It has an automated table of contents, so as you add content, these page numbers will automatically update for you. It starts with the executive summary outlining the operations of your microgreens farm. And all of the charts and graphs that you see can be modified specific for the needs of your business. Chapter 2 is an overview of the funds you're looking to raise and how you intend to use those funds. Chapter 3, an overview of your farm operations, and you can adjust this as needed. Chapter 4 is the industry analysis and is current through this year, and we update these yearly. Chapter 5 is the marketing plan. Chapter 6 is the overview of your organization. Headcount and payroll, again, that can be completely modified specific for your needs. Chapter 7 is the financial plan, which is done on a 3-year basis and has a profit and loss statement. Cash flow analysis, sorry about that. Balance sheet, break-even analysis and business ratios. And then in year 1, we break down the profit and loss monthly, quarterly for year 2, and quarterly for year 3. And the same with the cash flow analysis, broken down monthly for the first year, quarterly for year 2, and quarterly for year 3. Let me just scroll back up. And here's the financial model. Very easy to use. Pretty much everything is right on this one tab. Right away, you may have noticed this dashboard that's here. That way you can make any adjustments and see in real time how it's affecting all the tables. So for instance, let's set the first month revenue to $125,000 for microgreen sales. As you can see, the dashboard updated, and as did everything else. And that way you can see a different scenarios and play around with the figures and see exactly what the results will be right on this tab. And you can edit your expenses here, and you put the revenues in there. And we put other line items that you can add for revenues as well as needed. From there, you put in your salaries and your headcount. Out comes your personnel table, your revenue overview, your source of funds and use of funds you enter here. And out comes your profit and loss statement, cash flow analysis, balance sheet, those expanded profit and loss statements you saw at the end. Same with the cash flow analysis, loan amortization table, tax assumptions, your break-even analysis, and your business ratios. And that's essentially it. It certainly comes with additional documentation to help you throughout this process, and we can be reached at any time if you have any questions. Thank you for taking a look.